I'm going to be showing you how to do promoted listings on eBay. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So let's start with what promoted listing actually means. So your item shows higher in search or gets a sponsored tag or appears on similar listing pages. So that's what promoted listing means. So you also pay extra percentage of final sale price. So you can choose the rate. So let's start with how you can turn it on. So all you need to do is open your listings or create a new one. So I'm just going to go with the one I already have. And once you do, you just need to scroll down till you find shipping service and international shipping, and finally you have promote your listing. So this is the option that's going to help you promote listings. All you need to do is toggle this button on. Now you can select an ad rate. So it says that it suggested 12%, but it's completely up to you what you choose. I'm just going to be selecting the suggested rate. Now as you can see, I have selected promote your listing and I have successfully promoted listing on eBay. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.